Australia, Monday, March 10, 2025. The effects of Tropical Cyclone Alfred continue to affect Australia, with heavy rain and strong winds hitting parts of the country on Monday, March 10, 2025 morning. One of the worst hit areas was the Sunshine Coast, Queensland, with heavy rain causing flash flooding. Hundreds of interventions were carried out by officers, with rescues and evacuations across southeast Queensland overnight, including on the Sunshine Coast, with several vehicles stranded and homes submerged. A total of 457 millimeters of rain was recorded in the Diamond Valley since yesterday morning, while Nambour, Woombye, Palmwoods and Eudlo all received more than 350 millimeters of rain. Flood warnings have been issued by the Weather Bureau, with several roads closed after heavy rain overnight. Authorities have also warned residents to move to higher ground, avoid driving unless necessary and not to drive through floodwaters for safety reasons, as dozens of roads around Nambour, Palmwoods, Beerwah and Yandina were flooded and closed. Queensland Premier David Crisafulli said there had been numerous rescues by rescue workers due to the flooding, including in southeast Queensland overnight, at Carter Street and Petrie Park in Nambour, and at Dunning Street in Palmwoods just after 4 a.m. Sunshine Coast Mayor Rosanna Natoli confirmed that this morning, 300 homes on the Sunshine Coast were without power, and more than 100 roads were closed, and all landfills on the Sunshine Coast, except Nambour, were open and free to use until Sunday, March 16, 2025.